It is one of the most popular and classic Spanish male names in the world, but many people in the US still struggle to pronounce its unique phonetic sounds. While people accidentally say George with a hard English J, the standard American industry pronunciation is HOR-HAY. First part, a massive, majestic horse running through a field, or a loud, blasting musical horn, HOR. Last part, a warm, sunny day in the middle of May, or a massive pile of fresh backyard hay, hay. Put it all together fast, HOR-HAY. Say it out loud, HOR-HAY. Jorge comes from a celebrated lineage of traditional Hispanic culture, which explains the unique Spanish spelling of its consonants. The name has delivered legendary, transformative figures in global culture masterpieces, like the acclaimed author Jorge Luis Borges, soccer star Jorge Campos, and even Pope Francis, whose birth name is Jorge Bergoglio. Jorge is actually the Spanish equivalent of the English name George, and they both historically mean farmer or earth worker. Like, comment, and subscribe.